How to get live access on TikTok. So take note first that if you want to go live on TikTok, you have to be 16 years old or older. Now, to go live on TikTok, tap on the create icon to access the live screen. Swipe to the live in the navigation. Pick an image and then write a title for your stream. Once you are live, you can tap on the three dots to change the variety of settings. You can flip the camera, you can add effects, you can also filter the comments, and you can even add moderators. Once you're ready, press go live on your screen to start your stream. Now, if you want to go and join as a guest in live, go back to your FYP and then find a live that you want to join. Click on the multi guest icon, which is this one, the two users. And now this may not be available for some live streams since the creator can control this setting. So if that's the case, you can't do anything about it since the user did not allow the live guesting feature. Now, this is what should appear after, and you will just be waiting for the approval of the main user who is live. So that is how to get live access on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.